Right now I'm Mitsubishi Ayo. This vehicle has a problem with starting, so I'm going to show you how to solve this kind of problem. First, I'm trying to start, but it doesn't start completely, so I'm going to scan this vehicle so that we identify the main fault code. See, on my diagnostic machine, the main fault code here is injector drive P1200. So I think the injector drive is the main problem here. So I'm going to buy a new injector drive so that we swap and see how it's going to behave. And let me show you. This is the injector drive I'm talking about, MR50. So I'm going to buy another one so that we replace. After a few hours, I find a new injector drive. So I had to plug in. This is the old injector drive. This is the new injector drive. So I had to plug in the new one. After that, I tried to start the vehicle, but it does the same, meaning the problem was not the injector drive. See, so here the problem is not the injector drive, it's wiring issue. Let's find out. The injector drive, in this socket we need to have two grounds. So right now, the test is on the positive terminal, so two grounds. So we have two grounds. If you want to check 5 volts, you need to make sure the tester is on the negative terminal, like that. So 5 volts, exactly, we have 5 volts, the 5 volts signal. So right now we have 5 volts signal. Then these two wires are ignition, the red strip black. So right now we don't have ignition, so the main problem here is ignition. Get that signal of ignition. We are going to remove these fuse box. So we had to remove the fuse box so that we follow that wire that I was talking about. It's red strip black wire, comes from the injector to the relay. So according to this vehicle, the problem is the injector relay. See, the injector relay was blown. So here the solution, we have to replace with a new relay here. So we are going to replace with a new relay, and then we install everything back the way it was before. So after doing that, we had to confirm. So in this socket, as I told you, we have two ignitions. Let me put ignition on. See, the first ignition, then we have the second ignition. So meaning right now every signal on this socket is okay. Two ignition, two earth wires, and one 5 volts, just like that. So after that, we had to test. This is the injector socket. On this injector socket, we need to have that signal coming from the C, meaning right now the vehicle is okay. Fire. So the main fault of this vehicle was injector drive and relay. We normally call it the injector relay. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.